there guys, welcome to 2021. I know what you're thinking, isn't it January and isn't it cold? Yes it is, and I'm the idiot for driving with the roof down. And it's very greasy on the floor as well. And the 124 Spider, being rear wheel drive, likes to slide a lot. As I'm sure you can see from the front facing camera, it is very wet and very greasy. It was actually snowing earlier on. The temperature right now is like 2 degrees. But what is this video about? It's over, it's finally over. It's time to press the reset button. 2020 is done. Thank God, if I'm honest with you. Genuinely, thank God, because 2020 for me, whilst it has had some pretty good highlights, oh my word, this car is sliding all over the place. Whilst it has had some good highlights, it's had some pretty bad lows as well, and I'll touch on that in a moment. And it might be freezing cold, and it might be teetering on the verge of snowing, but with the roof down, it does sound a lot better in this car. But there is something quite nice about taking a drive New Year's Day when everybody is hungover to hell. When myself, I generally don't really drink that much anyway, so I'm really good. And actually, it's about time. Wow. It's about time that I picked up a camera and got out and about and started filming content again. Because some of you guys would have noticed that I've been very absent from social media lately. And that's because I hit a pretty big rut, if I'm honest with you, a really big rut. And that's why I say 2020 couldn't have disappeared quicker for me, because I didn't enjoy it much. But I decided to completely switch off from Instagram, completely switch off from YouTube to an extent. The last 2 videos that you saw where it was kind of front facing, I filmed in my house, those were pre-recorded a while ago, and I just needed to get them out to give you guys some content. But I'm not proud of them. I'm not proud of them. Oh. So we're taking a little cruise around some country roads, indulging in the winter countryside views. Look at this, it's like a rally course. My word, these are some good little roads, aren't they? And that Monza, it sounds great. It sounds really good actually. Whilst everyone's taking their New Year's Day walk, I'm here filming content with the roof down, and they're thinking, what an idiot. And they're not wrong. I'll tell you what, this car is good fun, man. It really is good fun. Monza exhaust on this Abarth 124 Spider, it just screams, doesn't it? It literally screams. But I tell you what, it is so slippery out here. Flipping Nora. So my aim for 2021 is to just make videos that I enjoy making, and whether people like it or not, that's down to them. But hopefully, fingers crossed, that you guys do enjoy watching the videos, and then as a result of that, naturally we'll get more views, we'll get more subs, and that creative process should materialize into good growth of the channel. Because December 2020, guys, was a terrible month for growth. This YouTube channel has not seen growth that bad since December 2018. Like that's terrible. Like for me, I looked at it, I was like, oh my God, like what is actually happening? And arguably the content I put out was pants. I didn't put out anywhere near as much content as I probably should have done. And that's I guess that's the end result of what happens when your heart's not in it and when you don't have the right mindset. That's the reality, isn't it? One thing that I haven't really talked about yet actually is this car, and I guess my plans for 2021 and how is that all gonna evolve, if you like. Well, a lot of 2021 is going to be based off of whether or not I can actually do things. That's the most important one. tunnel. Sounds so good, this car, doesn't it? Yeah, so 2021 is going to be based on what I can and can't do. So obviously at the moment we're in tier 4. I have no idea what's going to happen with this whole pandemic thing, but I'm really hopeful that, you know, in a couple of months or a month, I'm really hoping that in a month or so, you know, with all the vaccine stuff happening, that we'll be able to start traveling again, going abroad, because one of the things that I really want to do, I really want to actually do the Nürburgring this year. I want to actually put a car on the Nürburgring. Whether it's this car, whether it's another car, who knows? But what I will say is that the Nürburgring is a must. I've got the bug. You know, I haven't actually been on the ring, but just the area, the environment, all of that stuff, I really, really like it. So I want to do more of that. The next point is what happens to this car. Now, I know I talked earlier on about going, you know, big with mods, etc., but I don't know if that's the route I'm going to take with this. I might, you know, do a couple of little mini mods here and there, and I'll talk about that in another video. Whether I go all out on a full turbo conversion, I'm just not sure. I think this car is fun as it is, and actually, whether I even keep it is another one. I know what you're thinking. Hang on a minute, you've had it for 4 months. I know, but we'll see. We'll see. I've managed to get my job is going back to normal-ish at the moment, fingers crossed. Full salaries are coming back, which is great, thank God for that. So yeah, we'll see what happens on the car front, but one thing's for sure is that 2021, it has to be better than last year. Oh, hey! Look who it is! Hello! Hi! 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 So we've got this little thing that we do. It's like a little snap. So it's like you imitate like a little, I guess, a little bite. It's our little idea of playing rough, and he loves it, don't you? Yes. He's a little nut job. And do you know what? When I turn around and I say that 2020, I'm so glad it's over. Sit. Look at me. Look at kisses. Good boy. High five. Okay, let's go. When I look at 2020 and I think, you know, I'm so glad it's over and I've had such a tough time in 2020. One of the things that has been incredible about 2020 has been this guy. Genuinely, like the days that I've been feeling really down and really crappy, this guy has just picked me up. He is honestly the best thing ever. He is such a little dude. I love him so much, and I definitely want to try and get him more involved in videos moving forward, more stuff here around the house, just to kind of bring you guys in and show you my life more than anything, because that's what I really enjoy doing. You know, when I started this channel, I was an automotive lifestyle vlogger, and I think really over the last year or two, I've kind of forgotten about the lifestyle bit, haven't we? Yeah, but yeah, no, that's one of the things you're seeing the, was it the paternal Stef here with my, I guess he's like my little son really, isn't he? Look at him. I mean, how cute is this? Come on, look at him. Yes, hi there, yes. You just gotta love that face, right? Let's be honest, I'm not, you know, I'll never be as good as like your Carfections, you know, your Auto Traders. Those guys make incredible videos, and these guys are proper journalists. I'm not a journalist. When I review cars, you know, I review them how a normal person would enjoy the driving experience, but I'm not a professional reviewer, and that's not what I am, and my channel isn't about that. And I know most of my stuff has been about car reviews, but we're bringing back the lifestyle stuff now. Look at this. What are you doing? Oh, what you doing? What are you doing here? What are you doing? Look at this face. Look at this little oh, Roller, you're a little nut job. You are an absolute little nutter. Look at him. Oh. What now? Okay. Oh, I love this guy. Absolutely love this guy. Let's go. This way. Come on, this way. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah. And you know what? Let's not beat around the bush here. Flipping out, you're heavy. Wow. I think, you know, making the content that I want to make probably isn't going to get me the views that I need, but I'll enjoy the creative process more, and I think that's what's most important, isn't it? Enjoying it, having fun, doing YouTube. Why I started doing YouTube in the first place, which was just to express myself, express my lifestyle, and have fun with cars in the process. Okay, I can't feel my legs anymore because I'm kneeling down because of the camera position. But I think it's time we show you the new garden and the new driveway. Finally, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. So are we going to show everybody the new garden, Roller? We're going to show them? Yeah? You like? Yeah? No, you're just interested in eating whatever stuff's on the floor. So guys, as I said in the video, yeah, I haven't really posted much, mainly because we've been doing so much stuff here in the house, and one of the things that really needed work when we first moved in was, of course, the garden. And I'll overlay a couple of Instagram video things so you can see just how the garden was before, but we basically had the whole thing retiled, redone. We had a nice patch of grass put in here for Roller. It is a bit dirty, but you get the gist. What are you doing? Come on, come on, look at this guy. Oh, there you go, just took a pee on camera. You do realise that people are watching you, mate? You know that, yeah? Yeah, no, not a care in the world. Not a care in the world. But anyway, the driveway, the path continues all the way down here. Finally, we have a new driveway, guys. This was horrible when we moved in. There used to be grass and weeds and everything, and we just had the whole thing basically re-gravelled. Oh, now you're coming. Are you coming now? Are you coming? Come on. Here he is. Here he is. The tour guide himself. You gonna tell him? No? No, thought not. Anyway, so yeah, it's just so much better. But also, one of the things that I really like is the fact that the driveway is now quite, I guess, picturesque, and I can actually film B-roll of the cars on here now, because before it was horrendous, absolutely horrendous. Come around here, you can see the 124. It hasn't been cleaned in a while, but it's winter. What do you expect? Come on, you lump. You lump. You know, he weighs about 13 kilos now, by the way. He is huge. When we got this guy, how old are you? 8 months now. He's 8 months old. When we got him, he weighed nothing, and he's just, I mean, he's massive. Look at him. Look at this guy. Say hi. No? He needs to learn to be better on camera, but let me take this jacket off because it's quite warm. Snorting dog. Oh! There we go. Right. There you go, that's the first video I've actually filmed and posted for, I think it's about 3 weeks, I think, give and take. But anyway, guys, yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick little catch up with you guys, make sure that everybody's okay, wish you all a happy new year. And of course, this now is a time to press the reset button. Thank God 2020 is over. I hope you guys enjoyed having a little little roller in the video. Say hi, there you go. There he is, look at him, look, he's more interested in biting my hand. My name's been Stef, you guys have been awesome. This has been Rolo, he's been a dog, and I'll see you all very soon on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.